You doing, Hazel? Hey, what are you doing? So what you got?
Talking to me?
Yeah, tell everyone what you got.
We got
She got this.
in a bottle, and I got blossom in rot.
So, blossom in rot.
And we're giving all my plants water with Tums in there.
So it's because the tomato can't bring nutrients all the way up this vine. All the way up, up, up. That's a long ways for them to bring.
Now, not all of them got it,
No,
but we still does it with all of them.
but you just take some Tums.
Got it.
Take some Tums and
Put it in water.
put it in water. There it is right there. Look, Tums getting diluted in water.
No. See?
Another one, yeah.
There you go,
Yeah.
that's what it is. That's what it looks like. Now,
So-
me and Frishy put Tums down in the ground.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Still work.
But this is more like doing it this way with a spray bottle is like an IV. It gets absorbed into the leaves faster. So
Another tip.
this is
Another tip, guys, for try.
what you need to do if you got blossom in rot. So you could still chop that off and finish eating that tomato if you
Oh, yeah.
want it to, but a lot of people don't. They just
Yeah, I got it on this plant right here, Bobby. Look, see? This one right here, I got all the tomatoes. I like it.
so it's a calcium deficiency. A lot of people uses eggshells and says it works.
Got it.
And eggshells do work, but you gotta grind it up in a grinder and make it to like a little powder. And the plant can pick up the powder quick. But if you just throw eggshells in your soil, the eggshells are not small enough for the plant to use. So it got to be down to a powder, or the fastest way for a plant to use anything is in the form of a liquid.
How in the world did you get that in there?
You're gonna need a, what's it called?
Funnel.
You're gonna need a funnel, use a rid solo cup.
Yeah, find them one of them.
Use it. So if you're in and up with blossom in rot because you got a whole lot of tomatoes on the go,
Oops, fill up your bottle.
Deanie's using a bottle. I got holes in the bottle, man, but that's life, right?
Yeah,
Right?
that's what my tomato was in.
So this takes care of blossom in rot in your greenhouse. Now this is the quick side of it. That's the quick fix. But you got to get lime put in your soil, right? We already limed her, didn't we?
We already limed her, yep.
Oh.
So that's a strange thing because usually when I limed, I don't see blossom in rot after that. Unless there's
Did we
some
miss?
We must have. We had to have missed.
Well, we haven't got blossom in rot on all of them.
No, this one
Actually, we don't have on none of them, only a couple, don't we?
here. This one here.
There's no trouble to miss them, right?
And, well, one on my patio there is another one.
Yeah, but with so many tomatoes, it's just folks. Just no trouble to miss a tub.
This place is
No trouble to miss one little tub, right?
packed. Every year I'm never going to grow this many and I do the same every year. Don't I, Bob?
Oh, indeed you do. This is called umbrella growing. And there's fruit everywhere.
Yeah. Just wait till last this month and you won't see it. This one got it too, Bobby. Look.
So this plant, I think, must have been missed. Because there's your blossom in rot, folks.
Yeah.
So easy to see. So Deanie got the mixture. You show the bottle how milky is, Deanie.
Yeah, it's white, right milky. Oh, I'll show you in the container. So we take like 4 to 6 Tums and throws in a bit of water. And then we throw that in our squirt bottle.
And show the label that squirt bottle. Look, the seed company.
Gaze, EW Gaze, which we love, so we got after bottles.
Right?
Dim and Vessies.
Dim Investies and Revival Seed. It's
Oh,
probably
we love Revival too. Forgot
probably
about
my
Revival.
three best seed
Yeah.
partners.
Yeah, it's true. Revival got.
Now I wouldn't mind if some of them seed people that we're always talking about send us a few seeds to grow, you know, Deanie?
For try.
Right? And we don't mind advertising seeds, folks. If we got a couple packets of seeds come, we wouldn't mind getting on, you know, and talking about how nice the seeds is. And we're growing everything.
Yeah.
This is our first time growing this little fella.
Yeah.
Now look,
Everybody's first.
look how tiny he is. He's a watermelon and he got his first female.
Oh.
He got his first
So now
female.
they're just really small, Bobby.
Yeah, they got his first female right there.
Oh yes, so we do. Look at that.
And now we got cucumbers.
Bobby's growing cucumbers because he loves them.
And Deanie don't know why, because she grew that many last year.
Many pickles, I'm sick of it.
Right? And look, there's cucumbers on the go here now. It's starting to be a cucumber world.
Yeah, so from here right on over is cucumbers.
It is, and this is the little ones. And I don't know, I heard people talking about camelons or
Yeah, something like
I
that.
don't know what that is, but
Look how tiny they are. They're so small.
is
right?
that what they are? I don't know. If that's what you guys call camelons, or I don't know. If that is, just let us know.
Yeah,
because
we've never grown them before. Something new.
I've
for us.
never grown them before. So we're gonna have to get some lime dissolved too, Deanie, and get it in that.
We got three here that got it for sure.
Get it in the ones we missed. Got my first female pumpkin open today, and I pollinated her. So, and I'm always stood up here pollinating these guys,
Yeah, because we got no bumblebees.
right?
We got no bees that in here.
Because we
Bobby,
keep.
did you notice they're down right to the ceiling? No.
Oh yeah, we're not.
There's more strings put up from.
Right.
Yeah. From the old land up there.
So,
Whole lot of work.
have you gotten any tomatoes yet?
I got a lot of them, but they're on from the ones outside.
Oh, they're from the little ones, cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, cherry ones. Ain't got no big ones yet.
It's always good to plan a greenhouse and then walk in when everything is grown in it. How your mind pictured it is how it turns out. That's
Sometimes
always,
it's better, sometimes it's worse.
yeah, sometimes it don't work out, but it's just normal.
So I picked some under this color. They're starting to get orange.
Yeah.
I picked some under this color and I just brings them in the house and he turns red in there.
If sis puts them, if she wants them red faster, she puts them in a paper bag, is it?
Yeah. With a banana or something like that.
Right.
Apple.
So this is what we're at today, trying to fight the injustice of blossoming rat.
Yeah, there's always something. If it's not one thing, it's something else. That's what it seems like, hey, Bobby. And take care and put up your videos and put up your pictures. We love seeing it. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.
So, I chopped the bottom off, the blossoming rat off. This one's ripe enough to eat, so I can't throw it away. But the blossoming rat guy, he's just delicious. Anyway, from Bob and the Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.